Meaning of East Ender.
East Ender.
East Ender.
East Ender.
East Ender. East Ender is a term used to describe someone who is from or lives in the East End of London, England. The East End has traditionally been associated with working-class communities and immigrants, particularly from Ireland, Eastern Europe, and South Asia. The term can also refer to a particular culture and way of life associated with the East End, including a strong sense of community, resilience, and a distinct dialect known as Cockney. Overall, being an East Ender is seen as a source of pride for many who come from this region of the city.